Iowa State University is celebrating the success of yet another graduating class. About 1,400 undergraduate students walked across the stage yesterday. One of those graduates says he plans to use his education in the dairy farming field. McGarry has dreamed of having his own dairy farm since he was a kid, but life took him in a different direction. He ended up going back to school to get his bachelor's after his daughter graduated from Iowa State in 2020. He graduated with a bachelor's in agricultural studies with an emphasis in dairy science, food science, and international agriculture. Now he and his wife will start their farm in Stanhope.
We do have a platform to start a small dairy here, and my wife's dream, on the other hand, has always been to have kind of a country store or country market type thing. So we're going to do both those things.